Hi everyone, welcome back to DIYgeardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Motorola Moto G Play 2023 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, create a small gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Slide the tool around the edges to carefully release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, hold the fingerprint button and carefully lift the back cover. There is some adhesive near the camera flash area, so if necessary, apply heat to soften it. This will make removing the back cover much easier from the top position. Next, gently pull the back cover and remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Next, remove the not working LCD assembly including the frame. First, remove the battery from the body. Use a card pry tool to carefully cut through the adhesive under the battery. And then gently lift the battery. This process will take time and be gentle. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and the antenna head from the logic board. And then gently lift the logic board out of the body. Next, remove the earpiece by applying some heat. Next, remove the power limb flex from the side of the frame. Gently pry it away from the side of the frame. Next, remove the bottom speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and undo the screw holding the charging port board. Next, pull the charging port board with the antenna. Now, only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you will find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and components. Another option is the original screen without the frame. But installation is more complex and time consuming, and also durability may be a question. You will also find refurbished, used and aftermarket screens available with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame and components, whether it's original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. This option is widely available and greatly simplifies the installation. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, secure the power volume button flex on the side of the frame. Next, secure the ear speaker. Next, gently place the logic board on the frame and secure the LCD connector to the board. Ensure the cameras and other components are securely in place. Next, place the charging port board with the antenna in the body. Secure the charging port board by adding the screw and then connect the secondary LCD plug. Next, secure the antenna and ensure it's properly routed along the frame before reconnecting it to the logic board. Next, secure the bottom cover by inserting 8 screws. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. To close the back cover, first align it carefully over the phone, making sure the fingerprint button and camera openings line up. Next, gently press down along the edges. You will hear little clicks as the clip snaps into place. Run your fingers along the sides to ensure every clip is secured. Verify that the fingerprint button is properly aligned and clicks. Next, turn on the device for testing. Finally, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.